Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the monitor's native resolution and updating the GPU drivers. This prevents odd artifacts when you change scale. Once done, make a restore point or export the registry so you can revert quickly. Now choose your target scale, 90% or 95%, and open Windows Display Settings and your GPU control panel, Intel/NVIDIA/AMD. This gets you into the interfaces you'll use. Proceed only when drivers are current and you have a backup. Next, apply the scaling change appropriate to your OS. On Windows, calculate new DPI equals round 96 times desired percent and change HKCU/control panel /desktop/ log pixels, DWORD, sign out or reboot to apply. On Linux, use xrandr output name scale 0, 9x0, 9 or enable fractional scaling in Wayland compositors. On Mac OS, hold Option while choosing scaled or use a high DPI utility for sub-100 adjustments. Once applied, restart the session and finish by testing typical apps and desktop layouts. Address blurry apps by right-clicking the exe right arrow properties, right arrow compatibility, right arrow change high DPI settings, and choose Application or System, Enhanced. If the display becomes unusably small, boot into safe mode and import your registry backup, or use the restore point to revert. Make sure to record the final log pixels or xrandr commands so you can repeat or tweak the setting later. That single restore point will save a lot of time if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.